know, it looks scary. It looks like you're in It looks like we're in a horror movie right now. It's like scary. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. It looks like you wanna know what it really looks like? It looks like the devil. It's just coming. The sky just looks like it's coming. Like this side is God and then this side is the devil. The shadow? Oh my god.
Look at the ship up there.
Oh my god, the poor ship is gonna go sink down. It's like Titanic.
Look at it. You see where it's not light and it looks cloudy? That's raining over there. You see it?
Yeah, it looks like Titanic. Look at the floor. It's like Titanic, bro. I mean, that poor ship is probably gonna be Titanic. It's gonna go down. So bad. The gym, so crazy. The gym. She's crazy. You know he be happy. He be happy too. Oh my god. I feel so bad. Oh, look at all the birds evacuating. Birds?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I feel so bad for you guys. They're talking to each other. Wait. Oh my god. In school, I learned about Greece and all that stuff. About the gods and goddesses that live in Mount Olympus, that live on Mount Olympus is for sure, right? There was one of them that controls the sea and the weather. I forgot his name, but he's probably mad right now. He's definitely mad. I remember there used to be where's the floor? No. But yeah, you guys, it's crazy. Do not roll up my window.
What looks crazy is the cloud.
I know, it's the cloud. Here comes the police and everything. There's so much things happening today. You guys. Oh my god, It's where?
Perimeter.
Perimeter.
Yeah.
Perimeter.
See the perimeter?
Perimeter. I learned about shapes and all that stuff in math, but I'm good at it because I love math.
Yeah, I know. You're good at it.
Bye, guys.